Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hope 60, 70 students are there. Let me start. Yesterday, how many of you have performed in the gathering? I think who was there? Yes, who performed yesterday? Tejas, who performed from our division?
सर फोटोग्राफीमध्ये होते फक्त.
कोण होतं? Who was there?
सिद्धेश, मी, सृष्टी, मदिया.
Siddesh is here. Siddesh Rane, na?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Siddesh Rane, Tejas Patil, Madhya, and who else?
सृष्टी आणि भावेश.
Bhavesh Patil. Very good, very good. Congratulations. In any other performance? No one. Farah was there, na? Madhya or Farah? Danam Farah. He was there for the vote of thanks. Good, very good. Okay, congratulations. And who was there from Division A? Who is the CR of Division A? I forget his name.
Yes,
कौन है
sir.
CR? हाँ, सरस है. सरस, आहेस की नाही?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, सांग कोण होतं? Who was there? Or you don't know? श्रेयस होता. श्रेयस माने होता. हाँ. काय कोणतं गाणं होतं? I forget that.
क्या करे?
हाँ, दिल क्या करे? आहे की नाही? श्रेयस माने आहेस की नाही?
Yes, sir.
दिल को अभी कुछ नहीं करना है, पढ़ना है सिर्फ.
हाँ sir, sure.
हाँ, बाकी भी चीजें करना है, पढ़ना है. I used to tell that study is the 30% part, remaining things are 70% part. So थोड़ा सा पढ़ना है, बाकी सब चीजें करनी है. Okay, no problem. Who else was there? Someone was there. अमृत ना? अमृत was there. कुठे आहे अमृत?
Yes, sir.
ये घर में आले की नाही अमृत?
Hi, sir.
घर तूच होतास ना?
हो sir, मी
Okay. ठीक आहे. Okay, great. I think you performed in one another program also in first semester, right na?
Yes, sir. मराठी गिना तुम्ही.
हाँ, correct. त्यावेळी छान वाटलेलं, मस्त छान. Very good. What about others? Where are they? What about others? Why they are not?
Hello.
Yes,
सर पर्सनल आयडी ना अलाउड करा ना.
केली की?
नाही सर, मी 2-3 वेळेस आलो, कॉल पण केला तुम्हाला, आता तुम्ही उचलला नाही. होत नाही सर जॉईन.
परत एकदा ट्राय कर बघू.
ओके सर.
इथे दिसते, स्क्रीनवर दिसतेस ते. Okay. What about others? Others should also participate. I think after this we have a college gathering also on 26th of June. Yes. Okay. So please, remaining all, you should participate. Participation is very important. Okay. Whatever काय जे काय तुमच्याकडे आहे, whether you can sing, dance, right? Else every time we are listening the name of com branch only. Okay, we don't want that. We want change next time. Participation from civil and mechanical engineers is also required. I do remember before 5-6 years now, usually every engineering college used to have the noise of mechanical and civil student only. Baki com, PNTC, no one used to ask these students. Okay, so again we want to change the culture. For last 2-3 years, everywhere there is comp and somewhere ENTC. So try to change the scenario. Okay, try to change the situation. You can do that. Okay, Tejas, Saras, jara you take the initiative. Okay, jara baga kon interested hai. Ask them to participate. Okay, not only in gathering, everywhere. Paper presentation is there, seminars are there, essay competitions are there. Many competitions are conducted. स्पोर्ट्स नाही होणार ना, स्पोर्ट्स पॉसिबल नाहीये. त्यामुळे युजली वी हॅव स्पोर्ट्स अॅन्युअल स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन, बट दिस टाइम प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी नॉट पॉसिबल. बाकी कसं घेता येऊ शकते का? ऑनलाईन पॉसिबल, रिमोटली इट इज पॉसिबल.
व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्ड करके भेज सकते ना सर?
नाही काय करणार
सर? वीडियो कैसे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? सब लोग अलग-अलग रहते हैं.
नहीं, suppose it is football match. So how we can do it, right? So not possible. Probably once you will be here, na, maybe in second year, first semester, then you can participate. Okay. Till that time, let me start. Okay. I had a little story, but I'll keeping it for the next lecture. Very less time we have. Okay, already we have spent 10 minutes. Acha, I think you got marks also, na? Some mark sheet you got. So if anyone is having any doubt, in say marks are less, or you have given the you got less marks in first exam, and you have given the grievance exam, and the marks are not reflected in the mark sheet, whatever the grievances are there. So you can speak with the Dr. R.N. Patil sir. He has given form, I think, day back. I think during the first week of May, he has given some form, grievance form. So fill that form and forward it to the Patil sir on mail or WhatsApp or both. That will be better. And if you have any query and if you want to speak, better to speak with the Patil sir, R.N. Patil sir. Huh? So you can send WhatsApp message to Patil sir and he will give you a reply. He will tell you what to do. Till if problem is not solved, you can speak with me. No any problem. Okay. Right. And it will be better if you will speak with me. Send the message, WhatsApp message, and then speak with me so that I'll understand the exact problem. It is difficult to reply on the WhatsApp. Everything is difficult to reply on the WhatsApp. What the message is? Let me see the message. Any other type of mark sheet? Once you'll be in college, na, I think mark sheet type, whatever mark sheet you have got, na, it is not the exact mark sheet. I think previously the mark sheet was used to be in a different form. So we were also, for us also, it was difficult to understand the mark sheet format. So I think probably it will be changed, but no any information is there from university. But it will, since
total credits किती होते?
Total credits 22 in the first semester, 22 in the second semester. So if you have got 22 credits, means you are all clear. If you have got less credits, say 17 credits, so you might have failed in 1 or 2 subjects. Okay, and those who want to understand how many credits are there for a particular subject, on the Google Classroom, I have uploaded the syllabus. In front of syllabus, the credits are written. You can go through it. Okay, understood? Any doubt now? Okay.
Sir, but
someone got. Yes, Saras. Fast, continue.
we all got 17 credits. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We all
17
got
credits.
Yes, sir. सबको 17.
I think. Go on, 1 minute. I think. Are thamna. I think we had discussion yesterday. So the term work marks of few subjects are not considered. And why it is not considered? Since many of the colleges, they have not sent the term work mark in the time. So university has not considered term work marks of any student except the mathematics. University got the term work mark of mathematics from every college. Okay, so they have not got term work marks from of physics from few colleges, of chemistry from some other colleges, and so on. So they have not considered term work marks. Okay, therefore credit might be 17.
सर्वे फेल आहे का सर? मग
नाही ना, तेच म्हणते मी, ही मार्कशीट फायनल नाहीये. सर्व कसे काय फेल होतील? नाही ना.
तुम्ही तर धक्काच गेला.
सर मग फायनल मार्क कधी भेटणार?
घाबरून गेलो सर. घरी
फायनल मार्क्स देवालाच माहिती मिळतील, कशाला टेन्शन घेतोस तू. तुझे यू कन्सिडर सी टर्म वर्क यू कॅनॉट फेल. टर्म वर्क मध्ये तुम्ही फेल होणार नाहीये एक्सेप्ट फ्यू केसेस. ओके, म्हणजे तुम्ही यू कन्सिडर दॅट यू विल नॉट फेल इन टर्म वर्क. 1. सेकंड, इन सेम एक्झाम एक्झॅक्ट मला सांगणं डिफिकल्ट आहे. मॅथ्स मध्ये बहुतेक कोणी फेल नाहीये माझ्या माहितीप्रमाणे. एकदा मी बघून उद्या सांगेन तुम्हाला. ओके
सर, आणि ते
मॅथ्स में
सर
ते आता काय माहितीये का, टू ऑल द मार्क्स ते काही अजून क्लिअर नाही ना, टर्म वर्क मार्क्स वगैरे. ते मग ग्रेड वगैरे आता त्याचा काही विचार करू नको. यू जस्ट थिंक व्हॉट एव्हर आय एम टेलिंग यू, जस्ट थिंक टर्म वर्क मार्क्स ऑल पास. ओके, इन सेम मार्क मॅथ्स मध्ये बहुतेक सर्वजण पास आहेत. क्लिअर टू मार्क. ओके. थर्ड, NSEM marks, they are known to you, right? Out of 50 marks are known to you. If they are 20 or more than 20, pass. If less than 20, if they are 18, 19, pass, no problem. If you are failed in one subject and marks are 18 or 19, I'm saying, then 2 marks are given, 1 or 2, whatever the required marks are given, and it is made as 20 so that you will pass the subject. Clear now? If your marks are 17, 15, 13, 1, 0, fail. Clear? आता काय डाऊट आहे? Any doubt now? Any doubt now?
No,
सर
sir.
हे एंडसेम बद्दल ना
कब पता चलेगा
हाँ
सर?
एंड सेम बदल ना टर्म काय टोल्ड यू ना ऑल पास ओके इन सेम आई हैव टू चेक फॉर द मॅथ्स
ते
Sir,
इन्क्लूड
आम्हाला
होणार आहे
बाकीचे
का?
marks कधी
मार्क्सला पास
समजतील?
केलं ते काय म्हणले तुम्ही?
ऍब्सोल्युटली ऍब्सोल्युटली इन्क्लूड होणार आहे हे थोडंसं गडबडीत त्यांनी मार्कशीट दिलेले आहे त्यामुळं रिवाइज्ड मार्कशीट यू विल गेट आता कधी मिळेल मलाच नसते माहित ना कारण ते विद्यापीठालाच माहित नाही मला कुठून माहित होतं बरोबर
सर ते किती मार्क्सला पास केले म्हणले तुम्ही मॅथ्स मध्ये?
मॅथ्स मध्ये नाही सर्व सब्जेक्ट मध्ये इफ यू हॅव फेल्ड इन सिंगल सब्जेक्ट समजते इफ योर मार्क्स आर 18 और 19 त्याचे 20 केलेले आहेत यदि आपके मार्क्स 18 या 19 है तो आपको पास किया गया है ठीक है गॉट इट ओके नाउ लेट मी कंटिन्यू विद आवर सिलेबस ओके सो this we studied yesterday. Day before yesterday, in previous lecture, we started with the exact differential equation. Differential equation is said to be exact if del m by del y equal to del n by del x. Right? This is the condition of exactness. We know what the exact differential equation is. A differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be exact if there exists a function u such that m dx plus n dy equal to derivative of u. Okay. Third, what the general solution is integration of m dx considering y as a constant plus terms in n integration of plus integration of terms in n free from x dy equal to constant okay and then to find the alternate solution we can interchange m and n and we can get the required solution okay so we studied this example we written m and then we obtained del m by del y del n by del x then they were equal therefore differential equation is exact then we have written the general solution we obtained the general solution we solved few more examples of this type this was the fourth example okay yes we were able to complete 4 examples yesterday 3 examples yesterday and day before one more example okay so we'll continue with next type okay let me continue this is visible is it visible
Yes, sir.
okay so write page number 37 okay then write today's date 2621 differential equation reducible to exact form type number 6 differential equation reducible to exact form okay so now see towards screen and try to understand suppose I have a differential equation like this don't have to write just understand 4xy square dx plus 3x square y dy equal to 0 okay so I'll check whether it is exact or not so I'll write m 4xy square and n is 3x square y so del m by del y derivative with respect to y 8xy whereas del n by del x that is 6x so see terms are same xy only okay but the coefficient is different so we can find a term we can find a factor when we multiply the given differential equation number 1 by that factor differential equation will become exact so at this moment it is not exact so I'll mention this non exact why del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x therefore okay so let k of xy this is a factor k of xy equal to x square y now what I'll do I'll multiply equation number 1 by x square y okay so multiply 1 by x square y or k of xy okay so it will become like this 4 x y square is there okay so it will be x cube y cube dx plus 3 x raised to 4 y square dy equal to 0 this is a new differential equation now we'll see what will happen with the new differential equation m is equal to 4 x cube y cube right now and what is del m by del y So derivative with respect to y is 12 x cube as it is y square, right? Derivative with respect to y, therefore. Whereas n we have 3x raised to 4y square. So del n by del x. So it is 12x cube y square. So are they equal? Yes. So what is the conclusion? Differential equation is exact. Right now? So we started with a non-exact differential equation and we obtained the exact differential equation over here. Okay, but what we have done between these two equations, we multiplied the first differential equation by k of xy multiplied by x square y, and this is known as integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? It converts non-exact differential equation into exact differential equation. Write with me now. Integrating factor.
हॅलो सर. सर तुम्हाला कसं कळालं की आपण x स्क्वेअर बाय घ्यायचं, दुसरं काही?
For that, absolutely, no doubt. For that we have a specific formulas, so specific methods to find the integrating factor. We study them after defining this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Integrating factor. Done. Consider. Good question. Consider a differential equation as mxy dx plus nxy dy equal to 0. Done. It is non-exact differential equation. It is non-exact differential equation. Right. K of xy is said to be integrating factor. Here you write IF. It's said to be integrating factor if k of xy into m dx about differential equation and dy equal to 0 is exact differential equation. Okay, right here. Integrating factor reduces non-exact differential equation into an exact differential equation. Okay, what is the role of integrating factor? Reduces non-exact differential equation into exact differential equations. Hope it is clear. Okay, let me change the page. Yes, can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Right now.
Sir, please repeat.
Last sentence.
The page open करा sir, please.
अच्छा, okay. तर थोडंसं ते डिफिकल्ट होतं बरं का पेज ओपन करायचं. Okay, so here it is. I'll repeat. Integrating factor. Consider a differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0. It is non-exact differential equation. Okay. K of xy is said to be integrating factor if k into the differential equation is exact. Okay. So integrating factor reduces non-exact differential equation into an exact differential equation. Clear now?
झालं sir.
Okay. Then right. Page number 38. Okay. Now right. Rules to find integrating factor. Okay. Now consider, very important rules. Consider a non-exact differential equation, right? M plus repeat संपलेली आहे. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Done. Done. M dx plus M dy equal to 0. Consider non-exact differential equation to 0. Okay. Huh. 1. Right. If first rule, if differential equation is homogeneous. Hope you remember what the homogeneous differential equation is. M and N, they are homogeneous and their degree is same. And xm plus yn. M is free here. Okay. This m is to be multiplied by x and n is to be multiplied by y is not equal to 0. Then integrating factor equal to 1 upon xm plus yn. Hope everyone is getting this. 1 upon xm plus yn is integrating factor when differential equation is homogeneous. Remember in simple words. Right. If second, now it is not possible that every time the differential equation is homogeneous. So, right, if differential equation is in the form y some function of xy, we'll understand what is meaning of this function of xy, dx plus x some another function of xy dy equal to 0 and xm minus yn is not equal to 0. Then integrating factor is 1 upon xm. अरे हे संपलं काय? काय चाललंय? Little bit problem is there. 1 upon xm minus yn. 1 upon xm minus yn. 1 upon xm minus yn. Okay, done. Next.
सर
Third. हाँ ते थोडंसं ठीक आहे. परत एकदा लिहितो. 1 upon xm minus yn. ठीक है. Now this is visible.
यस सर.
Okay. Great. Next. If now understand first. See, to check the exactness, we obtain del m by del y and del n by del x. Na? Okay. So I am now dealing with them like this. See, understand first and then write. I am writing del m by del y minus del n by del x. See the last term, del n by del x. So divided by n. And this should be, after doing the calculation, this should be constant or should be function of x only. Right? Last term is del n by del x. Therefore, I divided by n. This last term I am saying, divided by n, and it should be function of x only. If it is so, then this is not integrating factor. Then integrating factor is e raised to integration of f of x dx. समझते सर? Getting everyone? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
यस सर.
Okay. Right, fourth rule में लिखता हूँ. Now what I'll do now, I'll interchange these terms. Okay, so I'll do like this. I'll start like this. Del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by what it will be? Divided by m. Last time is del m by del y, na? So divided by m. And what is required? Function of what? Function of y. Then if it is so, then integrating factor is e raised to integration of pi of y dy. Getting everyone? Okay. Last rule is there. Usually we not use the rule, but we'll write it. Okay. So write rule number 3 and 4 and remember it simultaneously. It's not a difficult part.
सर ते पॉइंटर जरा साईडला घाल.
पॉइंटर कुठं आहे? हा.
हॅलो सर,
हा हा.
पॉइंट नंबर 2 मध्ये y f1 of x into y का x comma y आतमध्ये.
X into y, x y. I'll tell you all about this function of x y. Once I write the rule number 5. After that I'll tell you. Okay. It is function of x into y. It's not x comma y. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. If any doubt?
पॉइंट 1 मध्ये x comma y दिलंय ना.
m is function of x comma y आहे. n is function of x comma y.
First line.
Consider non-exact differential equation. That you want to say?
m x comma y आतमध्ये. m of x into m of x comma y.
Rule मध्ये का? In case of rule?
ब्रॅकेट मध्ये.
तुम्ही जर सेकंड लिहिलेलं आहे ना सर, इफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ
Is
वाय,
in the form of हा.
तर F1 नंतर जो ब्रॅकेट आहे ना तिथं तो म्हणतोय की x आणि y च्या मध्ये कॉमा पाहिजे.
नाही आहे कॉमा नाही आहे. That I am saying.
हा.
There is no any comma. Y f1 of x into y dx plus x f2 of x into y dy equal to 0. It is like this. Okay. I'll tell you. Give me some time for that. Okay. If right x equal to a, y raised to b, m y dx plus n x dy plus x raised to p y raised to q r y dx plus s x dy equal to 0. If differential equation is in above form, then right integrating factor equal to x raised to h y raised to k, x raised to h y raised to k, where a b m n p q r s h k are these 10 are constants, are the constants. Okay, let me continue. Let me go to the next page. Remember these rules.
हॅलो सर,
हा.
तिथे सगळ्यात पहिलं विचारत होतो पॉइंट 1 चा वर्ग.
One, you are saying one, na? If the differential equation is homogeneous and xm plus yn is not equal to 0, that you want to say?
Consider a non-exact differential equation m of x comma y का m of x into y dx.
X comma y आहे ना ते आधीपासून. नाही. See, when we started the topic, na, from that time it is x comma y.
आणि पॉइंट नंबर 2 ला x into y आतमध्ये.
I'll tell you the difference. Give me some time. I'll tell you everything. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. Done. Function. We'll understand about the function first, and then we will continue with different examples. Page number 39. Hope everyone is writing. Right? काही जणांची नोटबुक बघायची आपल्याला आज. So Okay, function. So say I say that I have a function like this, x square minus 3x plus 5. So what do we write? Function of what? X. Okay. And if required from here, if I want to replace x by say t, how I can write this? I can write f of t. F of t will be equal to t square minus 3t plus 5. We know all these things very well. Okay. So suppose I have like this, x cube minus 9xy square plus y raised to say 5. And I want to write on other side function of. Whose function I have to write now? Tell me. Is it a function of x? Is it a function of y? Or is it a function of x into y? Or is it a function of x comma y?
X into Y.
See the first term. Okay, we'll understand it. See the first term. What is degree of x here? 3. What is degree of y? 0, na? We don't have any y term. What about the second term? Degree of x is 1, degree of y is 2. Last term, degree of x is 0, degree of y is 5. So degree of x and y are different. That is, x and y are independent. That is, I have to write x comma y. Understand this? Okay. And now I cannot replace x comma y by a single variable. Right? I cannot replace. So I cannot write like this. F of t from here. Not possible, na? If I want to write something, I have to write say f of u comma v. So I have to use two variable every time, right? So it will be like this, f of u comma v. Suppose x equal to u and y equal to v. That will be u cube minus 9u v square plus v raised to 5. समझते हैं सर्वना? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay. अब मैं third example लेता हूँ, हाँ? So I have like this, x cube y cube minus 9x square y square plus 13 like this. Yes. Now what I have to write? Tell me. So what is degree of x and y here? 3, 3. What is degree of x and y here? 2, 2. Same, right? What is degree of x and y here? 0, 0. So I can write f of x into y. Okay, and if required, I can replace x into y by single variable. Okay, so I can write f of t like this, t cube minus 9t square plus 13t. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Right ना? So it was not possible in the example number 2 where I had to use two different variables, x comma y. So comma is written between x and y. Here I have f of xy. Right? So whenever there are this type of functions, in case of differential equation I'm saying, by default you have to use the rule number 2. Integrating factor will be 1 upon xm minus yn. Okay, so for example, suppose I have a differential equation like this. Y x square y square minus say 10xy, right, dx plus ax, and then I have x cube y cube minus 9x square y square, okay, and then dy equal to 0. So I have differential equation like this. Y, this whole bracket is function of xy, so say f1 of xy dx plus x, the another bracket is also function of xy, say f2 of xy, right? Both of them are different, na? Here we have x cube term, we have x square term, therefore we have used f1 and f2 are two different functions. Dy equal to 0, we have a differential equation in this form, and therefore the integrating factor will be, yes, anyone, what will be integrating factor? 1 upon xm minus yn. Getting everyone? Okay, now we'll go through different examples. Okay, so yes, before we start with the different example, we'll revise what the rules were. Okay, see, just remember this. If differential equation, first we'll check whether it is exact or not. Probability is non-exact. Okay, now we have to find the rule. So if differential equation is homogeneous, 1 upon xm plus yn is the integrating factor. If differential equation is in this form, the integrating factor is 1 upon xm minus yn. Okay, if these two rules are not applicable, then we'll go to the rule number 3 and 4. Okay, now how to choose rule number 3 or 4 we'll understand. Okay, for that we want this difference. See the numerator, difference is required. Okay, we'll see that how to do that. Okay, but time being you understand first time, second rule. Okay, rule number 5 probably will be not asked in exam. If required, we'll solve one example at not now. Okay, so we are concentrating on rule number 1 to 4 now. Okay, now we have to choose the correct rule. Everyone is here. I may ask this question to everyone. Anyone? आज सगळे इथे सगळेजण इथे आहात. व्हॉट अबाउट द अदर पीपल्स? 87 ओनली. ओके, बघतो मी त्यांना आज. होप एव्हरीवन इज हियर. ओके, चल स्टार्ट करूया एक्झाम्पल्स. राईट एक्झाम्पल्स, पेज नंबर 40. Solve following differential equations. Yes, so let me start with the first example. Give me 1 minute only. Yes. Yes, it is like this, right? 2x log x minus xy. Okay. dy, it is not dx, plus 2y dx equal to 0. Right now, comparing with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. What is m here? M is 2y only, don't make mistake. And what the n is? This whole term, 2x log x minus xy. Okay, now what is del m by del y? Derivative with respect to y, 2. What is del n by del x? Like this, see. 2x as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, plus 2 log x as it is. Derivative of x is 1. Minus, product rule is used for the first term. For the second term, it is y. So it is 2 plus 2 log x minus y. Getting everyone? Are they equal? Right. Del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. Right now? So what is the conclusion? Differential equation 1 is not exact. Differential equation 1 is not exact. Acha. Can we use rule number 1? When rule number 1 is applicable, differential equation should be homogeneous, right? See towards screen. A32 Priyanka. A32 Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
What is the degree of m? M is 2y, na? So what is the degree of 2y?
1.
1. Very good. What about the degree of n? Degree of 2x is 1. Log x is homogeneous or non-homogeneous?
Homogeneous.
Log x.
No, sir, it is not homogeneous.
Log x is non-homogeneous. Therefore, n is non-homogeneous. Therefore, is the differential equation homogeneous?
No.
No.
Right. So, differential, I think everyone is getting this. Degree of 2y is 1. Log x is non-homogeneous. Hope you remember. I'll write it here. Log theta, right? E raised to theta and all the trigonometric functions. I'm writing sin theta, for example, are homogeneous if degree of theta is 0. Okay, so we have log x. So is the degree of x is 0? No, degree of x is 1. Therefore it is non-homogeneous, right? So differential equation is non-homogeneous. So rule 1 is not applicable. Just understand it. In exam you don't have to write all these things. This is only for understanding. Now what about the rule number 2? When rule number 2 is applicable, what is required? Differential equation should be in this formula. Y function of xy dx plus x function of xy dy equal to 0 is required. Okay, so let me try to write this differential equation. So see, from the equation number 1 I can write like this: y and 2 dx. Okay, no problem. From the next example I can take x common from the next term, sorry, and I can write 2 log x. ये समझते हैं ना मैं कुटुन लिखते हैं, समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको मैं कहाँ से लिख रहा हूँ? dy इक्वल टू 0। इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को मैंने मॉडिफाई किया। सो ये फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई है क्या? यस। व्हाट इज डिग्री ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई? 0 0 ना, सो नो एनी प्रॉब्लम। But see this, what is the degree of xy same here? No. Is the degree of xy same here? No. So not a function of xy. Right ना? समझ झेपते कि नहीं है? Therefore rule number 2 is not applicable. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Why rule number 1 and 2 are not applicable? Have you understood this? सबको समझ में आ गया? Have you understood this?
सर
काहीतरी बोला की म्यूट करून सोडून दिलेला आहे। सिद्धेश राणे बोलिए, समझ में आ गया आपको? Why rule number 1 and 2 is not applicable? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Maitri, understood?
सर
Sahil Pawar, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good, very good. Have you understood why rule number 1 and 2 is not applicable? 1 is not applicable since differential equation is not homogeneous. Rule number 2 is not applicable since we don't have the function of x, y. Degree of x and y should be 1. It is not so. Degree of y is 1 here, but degree of x is 0 here in the second term. So, it is same in case of log x also. Therefore, rule number 2 is not applicable. Now, see what I have to do. I have to use rule number 1 or rule number 2. Okay, and I have to decide it here only. Okay. So see, in both the rule number 3 as well as 4, I have to find the difference del m by del y minus del n by del x. हाँ, समझून घ्यायचं है, व्यवस्थित ये समझ लेना है आपको अच्छे से। थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है। हाँ, सो del m by del y मैं लिखता हूँ, क्या है? 2 है। माइनस ऑफ del n by del x क्या है? 2 plus 2 log x minus y। ओके, ठीक है। सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो माइनस 2 plus 2 कैंसिल होगा। I'll get minus 2 log x और प्लस y आएगा। हाँ, तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स काउंट करना है। कितने टर्म्स है? 2 है ना? फर्स्ट इज 2 log x एंड अदर इज y। आई एम लिविंग द सेम टाइम भी, है ना? 2 टर्म है। नाउ यू गो टू द m। m में कितने टर्म है? 1 सिंगल टर्म। ओके, मुझे क्या करना है? व्हाट आई वांट टू डू ना, आई वांट टू कैंसिल मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आफ्टर डिवीजन। नाउ आई डिवाइड दिस बाय n ना, n से मैं डिवाइड करूंगा ना, या m से डिवाइड करूंगा? किससे डिवाइड करना है ये हमें डिसाइड करना है, राइट? एंड how we have to decide? So that maximum number of terms will cancel, so that you will get function of x only or function of y only. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay, so I obtain the difference. इसको अभी छोड़ दो आप। And the difference contain 2 terms. Now you go to the m. How many terms are there in m? 2y. So I cannot choose the m. Okay, now go to the n. How many terms are there? 2 terms है ना? तो मुझे n से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। What is the conclusion? I have to divide by n. अभी रूल नंबर 3 है या 4 है उसको छोड़ दो आप, that is not important now. अभी क्या डिसाइड? एक मिनट, let me continue. हाँ, रूल नंबर 1, रूल नंबर 2 is not applicable. I have to choose रूल नंबर 3 और 4. दोनों में यही डिफरेंस है। हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे माइनस हो, यहाँ पे प्लस हो, उससे साइन से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, राइट? यदि ऐसा है तो here will get plus, here I'll get minus. ज्यादा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। I'll get 2 terms only. I'll go to the m. I have single term only. Go to the n. 2 terms are there. Since the difference contain 2 terms and n contain 2 terms, therefore we are dividing by n. 2 minutes wait kara. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So now I'll go to the next page and I'll divide by n. So see how I am writing the rule. Okay. Let me change the page. Page number 41. एक मिनिट मला कंटिन्यू करून दे. आय नो दॅट यू हॅव अ डाउट ॲट दिस मोमेंट, बट लेट मी कंटिन्यू, म्हणजे कन्फ्युजन नसेल शेवटी. हा, टिल देर इज कन्फ्युजन आय विल सॉल्व द डाउट. ओके, सो लेट मी कंटिन्यू. सो वी हॅव डिसाइडेड टू डिवाइड बाय n. Okay, so what the last term will be? Del n by del x. Hope you remember all these things. What will be the previous term? Del m by del y. And what is required? Right, last term is del n by del x divided by n and function of x is required. चेक करते हैं फंक्शन ऑफ x whether we are getting or not. Okay, now let me write del m by del y. That is 2, है ना, minus del n by del x. What is that? We obtained on the previous page. 2 plus 2 log x minus y, है ना, divided by n. What the n is? N is 2x log x minus xy. इसको मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. हाँ, लेट मी कंटिन्यू दिस. 2 will cancel. I'll keep the minus sign outside. Then what is remaining? 2 log x minus y. What I can take common from the denominator? X. What will remain? 2 log x minus y. And now I'm able to cancel all these things, and what I'm getting at the end? Minus 1 upon x. I require function of x. Yes, I have function of x, but this is not the integrating factor. What the integrating factor is? E raised to integration of f of x dx. E raised to integration of minus 1 upon x dx. That is e raised to minus log x. Okay, now how I can cancel the minus sign? Log of x raised to minus 1. That is log of, e raised to. E raised to log of 1 upon x. Log and e will cancel. What will remain? 1 upon x. This is the integrating factor. Yes, now tell me what the doubt is. Someone was asking me doubt. Yes, what the doubt is. If it is clear, no problem. If it is not clear, let me know.
Yes, clear ho gaya.
Good. Very good. So, hope you understood how the integrating factor is obtained. Okay. We decided rule number 1 was not applicable, 2 was not applicable. We have to choose rule number 3 or 4. For that, we obtain the difference. Difference contain 2 terms, n contain 2 terms. Therefore, we have to consider a rule where there is n in denominator. So, this is the rule. Whether it is third or fourth, doesn't matter. And then minus 1 upon x is obtained, and then integrating factor is e raised to integration of f of x dx. It is not required to write all the steps. You can skip few steps for understanding. For understanding, usually I write more steps.
Sir,
Yes.
त्यातला आपण log under x inverse का घेतला, e raised to log x inverse.
Using this rule. Using minus of log a. What is minus of log a? Log of 1 upon a. Use this rule. What is minus of log of a by b? Log चे rule आहेत ना. Log of b by a. Reciprocal. Use one of this rule. Okay. I use these rules. Okay. Now see what is the next step. This is the first step, finding integrating factor. Hope you might have understood. Now write down. Multiply equation 1 by integrating factor 1 upon x. चलो multiply करते हैं. So it was like this, 2y divided by x dx plus can I cancel x? Can I write it directly after cancelling x? Okay, no problem. I'll write one more step. Log x minus xy divided by x. That is 2y divided by x dx plus 2 log x minus y dy equal to. Okay, now write. Differential equation 2 is exact. No need to check exactness. It will be exact. For last 300 to 400 years, after multiplying the non-exact differential equation by integrating factor, it becomes exact differential equation. So now it will not change. And if you want to check, you can cross check it. Okay, right. Here m equal to, now write the new m. 2y divided by x. N equal to 2 log x minus y. Understood what the m and n is. Now let me go to the next page. Now we want to write the general solution. Just matter of
लिहायचं राहिलं.
matter of matter of 2-3 steps only.
सर ये ज्यादा ही बड़ा नहीं क्या?
नहीं, अरे हमने ज्यादा लिखा है. अभी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल शॉर्ट में हो जाएगा. हमने हर चीज को लिखा ना, जरूरत नहीं है ना नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल से. Okay, can I change the page now? I'll go to the page number 42. Yes, Radam. General solution is m dx y constant plus terms in n free from x dy equal to constant. m, what was the m? बताओ मुझे थोड़ा सा m क्या था? 2y divided by x था शायद. If it is wrong, let me know. Plus term in n free from x. क्या आएगा? y आएगा, minus y आएगा?
minus y.
Minus y dy equal to constant. चलो 2y constant है. What is integration of log x? 1 upon x log x. That's it. This is the solution. Hope you might have understood it. Okay, let me go through the next example. Right, second example. X raised to 4 e raised to x minus 2mxy square dx plus 2m x square y dy equal to 0. Right, m equal to right m, right n. फिर देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. Those who want to solve yourself, please go ahead and solve it. M equal to x raised to 4 e raised to x minus 2mxy square, n equal to 2mx square y del m by del y. So minus 4mxy del n by del x 4mxy. So what the conclusion is? They are not equal. It is not exact. Rule number 1, yes. Let me ask few of you. Yes. कौन बता सकता?
Not applicable.
Atharva Deshmukh, can we use rule number 1? Atharva, can we use rule number 1? Atharva use करू शकते का rule number 1? यश गायकवाड, can we use rule number 1? अथर्व आहेस की नाही? आन्सर सांगायचं राहून दे. Whether you are here or not. अथर्व देशमाने, rule number 10, A10. Are you here? आहे ना? Okay. यश गायकवाड, A14. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अच्छा. Can we use rule number 1? करू शकते का? What is required for the rule number differential equation should be homogeneous. What is degree of e raised to x? Non-homogeneous. E raised to x is non-homogeneous. Okay. Om Burud. Om Ahe. Om, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I think you might have understood rule number 1 is not applicable. Can we use the rule number 2? What is required for rule number 2? Om, what is required for rule number 2? Ajay Dhotre, B10.
Yes, sir.
What is required? What is required for rule number 2? Function of xy is required. Right now? So say e raised to x. Is it the degree of x and y same here? No. It should be e raised to x into y, na? समझते कि नहीं? Right? Degree of xy same. It means if I write e raised to x only, what is degree of x? 1 here. If I write e raised to x into y, then degree of x and y is same, na? But we don't have e raised to xy. So we don't have function of x into y. Therefore, rule number 2 is also not applicable. So we have to use rule number 3 or 4. Now, how to choose whether we have to use rule number 3 or 4? Very simple. We have to find the difference. Let me find the difference. Whether you find del m by del y minus del n by del x or other way around. Divide by Babu. Just 1 minute. You might have understood it, but give me 1 minute. So, whether you find del m by del y minus del n by del x or other way around. Del n by del x minus del m by del x. There is no any problem. So, minus 4mxy minus 4mxy. So it becomes minus 8mxy. So how many terms are here? Single term. Getting na? Now you go to the m. How many terms are there? 2 terms are there. Okay, so we cannot use this rule now. So we cannot divide by m. Go to the next term. Number of terms only we have to choose. So n contains single term and the difference contains single term. So by default, what do you have to do? We have to divide by n, right? So divide by n. Hope you might have understood. So last term is divided by n. So del n by del x. So previous term is del m by del y. And what is required? Whose function is required? Function of x is required. X is there, na? Del n by del x therefore. Now let me find this. So minus 4mxy. Minus 4mxy divided by n. N is 2mx square y. So minus 8mxy divided by 2mx square y. So this 2 will cancel. What will remain? Minus 4 divided by m will cancel, y will cancel. Minus 4 divided by x. Minus 4 by x is f of x. This is not integrating factor. We'll find the integrating factor. समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Have you understood how the rule number 3 or whatever the rule we have chosen?
Yes, sir.
Right? How to select the rule, how to choose the rule is very important part. Is the crucial part whenever we are solving examples of this type. Hope this is clear. Hope you might have written it. Let me go to the next page. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait.
Let me change the page. After change ke liye, so I'll post it once I complete it. So if anything is remaining, please leave some space and go to the next page. Okay. So now, integrating factor equal to e raised to integration of f of x dx. So e raised to integration of minus 4 by x dx. So e raised to minus 4 log x. Okay, that is e raised to log of x raised to minus 4. So x raised to minus 4. That is 1 upon x raised to 4. Hope all the algebraic calculations are very, very clear to you. I'm using this formula. A log b equal to notes on the formulas, list of the formulas and corresponding video is uploaded on the Google Classroom. Please go through that. So log of b raised to a, this formula I used. Okay. Now what to do with the integrating factor? In MCQ there may be question on find the integrating factor for 2 marks. Okay. So 1 upon x raised to 4 is the integrating factor. Okay. Right. Multiplying differential equation 1 by integrating factor 1 upon x raised to 4. Multiply. So the differential equation was like this. X raised to 4 e raised to x minus 2mxy square divided by x raised to 4 dx. Sort of fast. We want to complete it in time. 2mx square y divided by x raised to 4 dy equal to 0. So simplification is e raised to x minus 2my square divided by x cube dx plus 2my divided by x square dy. Now write down. Differential equation 2 is exact. General solution is plus. So y constant e raised to x minus 2my square divided by x cube There is no any term in n, single term only, but it contain x, so 0 dy equal to constant. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus 2m y square constant. Integration of 1 upon x cube is minus 1 upon 2x square. Right? 1 is added, na? X raised to minus 3 plus 1, correct, equal to constant. So e raised to x minus minus plus 2 will cancel, m y square divided by square. This is the general solution. Hope you might have understood now. Just to go on writing, I'm asking for a few roll numbers. Give me the attendance. It's not attendance, something else I want to ask. Roll number A19. Who is A19? A19. Are you here? A19. Saras, A19 आहे की नाही जरा बघ रे. B10, roll number B10.
Yes, sir.
काय नाव सांग?
अजय धोत्रे.
अजय, अरे तू गुगल क्लासरूम किती वेळा मेसेज पाठवायचा रे? ते जॉईन झालास की नाही?
नाही सर, अजून रॉंग अकाउंट म्हणते.
त्याचा काही संबंध नाही, करून टाक ना ते. कुणाला तर मित्राला विचारायचं, गुगलवर सर्च करायचं. मागच्या वेळी तर होतास तू अकाउंटवर. कारण काय माहिती काय होते, ऐक, समजून घे माझा प्रॉब्लेम, समजून घे. मला की नाही एक एक 1 by 1 सर्च करावं लागते, कोण जॉईन झालं कोण जॉईन झालं नाही. तुम्ही कधी तुझा प्रॉब्लेम आहे म्हणून मला कधी सांगितलंस तरी का तू असा असा माझा प्रॉब्लेम आहे? मी सांगणार नाही, मलाच सर्च करत बसावं लागते ना. आता किती दिवस झाले त्याला? सॉरी टुडे. आणि असाइनमेंट सुद्धा सबमिट करायचे. रोल नंबर 16, B16. B16 इज देअर. रोल नंबर B16 नाहीयेच. B24. B24.
येस सर.
हा, नाव सांग.
अक्षय मेहत्रे.
अक्षय राजा, कर की रे जॉईन. काय झाले तुला?
हा करतो सर, आताच करतो.
लगेच करा. ते सोपं काम आहे, त्यात काय अवघड आहे?
हा सर.
25. B25. B25.
प्रेझेंट सर.
B10 मला सांगितलेलं आहे, जॉईन करतो. 24 सांगितलेलं आहे. 25 कुठे आहे? 25 काय नाव?
25 प्रेझेंट सर.
हे अंकुर, तू असं का हे असतोयस रे, पॅसिव्ह का असतोयस, ऍक्टिव्ह का नसतोयस? अटेंडन्स मागच्या वेळी तुझी कमी होती, बऱ्याच गोष्टीमध्ये तू इन्व्हॉल्व नसायचास. काय झाले? एक तर इंटरेस्ट नाहीये. एक कारण असू शकते की इंटरेस्ट नाहीये, असं जबरदस्तीनेच आपण इंजिनिअरिंग करतोय. दुसरं कारण कुठंतरी प्रेमात पडलंय.
नाही सर.
नाही ना? नाही म्हणजे प्रेमात पडले की नाही, म्हणजे माझ्या वेळेचे अनुभव सांगते, बऱ्याच वर्षापूर्वीचे, आत्ताचे नाहीत. हा, प्रेमात पडले की काय चाललंय कळत नाही. तसं असेल तर ते सॉल्व्ह करून घे, असलं तर चांगलं आहे, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आणि जॉईन व्हाच, ठीक आहे. 42. B42. B42. B42 इज देअर. नाही. A19, B16, B42. सरस, A19 त्याला मला कॉल करायला लावायचं. हा, आणि इकडे कोण आहे? पाटील, तेजस. B16 आणि B42 रोल नंबर लिहून घे, त्यांना मला कॉल करायचं. ठीक आहे. आणि कोणतं राहिले, मला एक जण कोणतरी सापडलं नाही, गुगल क्लासरूम वर जॉईन व्हायचं राहिलेलं आहे कोणतरी. 7 people are there who has not joined the Google Classroom. Please join it by today. Okay. 1. Second, हे Google Classroom आहे आपलं. हा, त्याच्यात हे पहा, दिसतंय, दिस इज विजिबल. होमवर्क असाइनमेंट नंबर 1, ड्यू डेट 31/5. त्यात 58 लोकांनी फक्त असाइनमेंट दिलेले आहे. 41 + 7, 48 people are remaining. Okay. So do it by today. हा, हे सगळेजण राहिलेले आहेत पहा. ओमकार आठवळे, नेहिल, ओम, स्वप्नील, रजत, शुभम, अंजली, शुभम, आणखी एक शुभम आहे, देवराज, अथर्व, देशमुख, देशमाने, देशमाने, जमा, यश गिड्डे, सौरभ कांबळे, अथर्व कुलकर्णी, हर्षल लोंढे, सिद्धेश मुंडे, धीरज, संकेत, सौरभ, मालोजी राजे. मराठ्यानं काय आरक्षण मिळणार नाही, करून टाका, इकडे जमा. आशुतोष पाटील, भावेश पाटील, पाटील लोकांनी तर नाम बदनाम करून टाकलेलं आहे. ध्रुव पाटील, दिनेश पाटील, पवन राजे पाटील बी आहेस, राजे बी आहेस, जमा करून टाक. विनय पाटील, सौरभ पोळ, यश रामटेके, कार्तिक राठोड, हर्षल राऊत, साक्षी, मुली सुद्धा आहेत. अरे आश्चर्य आहे. अंकुर शिंदे, ओमकार सिंगापुरे, चिराग सोनवणे, मैत्री. अरे काय करते काय मैत्री? दुसरं कुठेतरी सबमिट केले बहुतेक, ते इथं सबमिट करायचं. ठीक आहे. ओम उमरे,
ओके सर.
वंदना मैडम आप कहाँ पे है? सबमिट कर दो. रोहित कुमार, ओम वाघ, दर्शन वानखेडे, हर्ष येवले. You all have to submit the assignment, and the remaining 7 people, those who not joined the Google Classroom team, all have to submit the assignment by today. Okay, please.
Yes, sir.
If anything is required from my side, you let me know. But whatever I'm expecting, you have to fulfill all those things. Okay, please. Then I think I don't have time at this moment. Your practical will start. Tejas.
येस सर.
आणि सरस, जर मला आठवण करायची आहे, जरा एनपीटीएल कोर्स बद्दल मला सांगायचं नेक्स्ट टाइम सांगेन.
हो सर.
ओके. मला अटेंडन्स घेऊ दे. गिव्ह मी 1 मिनिट ओनली. लेट मी टेक द अटेंडन्स. ज्यांचं प्रॉपर नाव नाहीये, रोल नंबर नाहीये, त्यांची आज अटेंडन्स लागणार नाहीये. काहीच करू शकत नाही, कारण भरपूर वेळा सांगून झालेला आहे. आणि काही लोक फक्त 2 मिनिट, एक मिनिट, फक्त 2 मिनिट येत आहेत, जॉईन होतात. थांब रे, 2 मिनिट येत आहेत, जॉईन होत आहेत आणि निघून जात आहेत, आणि त्यांची अटेंडन्स लागते. तर तसंही होणार नाही, ह्याची मी नक्की काळजी घेईन. ओके. कारण तुम्ही किती वेळ, आप कितने टाइम यहाँ पे ज्वाइन होते हो और कब छोड़ देते हो, सब गूगल से वी गॉट द मेल, यू माइट नो इट. थोडस टाइम जातं त्याच्यामध्ये पाहण्यामध्ये, बट नो प्रॉब्लम. आई गो थ्रू इट एंड आई फाइंड इट. सो आपको आना है और पूरे टाइम यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहना है. ओके, दिस इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम माय साइड. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. बताओ
सर, ते ईमेल आयडी च नाव चेंज होत नाही सर.
होते. दुसरा ईमेल आयडी तयार कर, दुसरा तयार करून बघ, त्याला काय प्रॉब्लेम.
ठीक आहे सर.
कारण ते दररोज माझा तेवढा वेळ जातोय ना, म्हणजे तुमचा वेळ जातोय. माझं काय, मला तेच काम आहे. कोणी लिहिलं नाही आणखी. अथर्व कुठे गेला? अथर्व देशमुख, सांग रे राजा, फास्ट सांग सर.
11 सर, मी ऍक्च्युली दोन्ही जॉईन झालोय सर.
हा मग ठीक आहे, काही गरज नाही. अथर्व कुलकर्णी.
माझा दुसरा
ठीक. गुड. चलो नेक्स्ट. हे जरा चेंज कर रे. 24, B24, A26, A25 स्टार्टिंगला असून देते. ठीक आहे. गोपाळ, सांग रोल नंबर.
सर, मी दुसऱ्या अकाउंटनी जॉईन होऊ ना सर.
होत आहे, झालेलं आहे काय? कार्तिक राठोड.
B38.
कार्तिक राठोड, B38. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट नाव बघून सांगा मला. चला, मदिया, आप 2 नंबर से ज्वाइन हुए क्या?
जी सर.
ओम वाघ. ओम वाघ, बरोबर झालं का? ठीक आहे. बी काय?
B53 सर.
15
मगर B22 53 सर.
एक मिनिट. ज्यांचं झाले त्यांनी जावा. तिघं फक्त थांबा. श्रेयस माने, सिद्धेश, सुधीर आणि सुंदरम. बाकी लोक तुम्ही जावा, तुमच्या ह्याला जॉईन व्हा. थँक्यू. हा सांगा. श्रेयस माने सांग.
A26.
सिद्धांत यादव. सिद्धांत म्हणजे थेरम यादव.
A51.
A51 काय? ठीक आहे. चलो नेक्स्ट. सुधीर.
A15.
A15. ग्रेट. चलो, अरे काय मध्ये झालं हे. ठीक आहे, करतो मी त्याची. सुंदर. B24 ना?
22 सर. 22.
हॅलो सर.
बोल
सर, A11 मध्ये A11 नोट झालंय का बघा ना सर. म्हणजे मी तसं दोन्ही हे झालोय, पण A11 नोट झालंय का वरती तेवढं बघा ना.
A11 काय?
हा
ठीक. चलो, थँक्यू.
हॅलो सर.
हा बोला ना. बोलिए.
सर, सुकृत तुम्ही बोलत होता, माईक चालू होत नव्हतं सर. मीटिंग रिजॉईन केली.
किती? A19 काय? राजा, तू जॉईन नाही झालास याला रे. गुगल क्लासरूम काय आवडत नाही का तुला?